If your router's 5 GHz connection is not appearing on your computer, then here are some basic fixes you can try to eliminate the problem for good. Now first, make sure that your computer supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. To check it, open Command Prompt with Amurites. Type in the following command. Scroll down, then look for the section named Number of Supported Bands. And if this section shows both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, then this indicates that your computer is compatible with the 5 GHz band. However, if it only shows 2.4 GHz, then it means that your device does not support a 5 GHz connection. Additionally, your computer may also fail to detect the 5 GHz connection if there's something wrong with your router. So what you need to do is to restart your router, and it is one of the best ways you can try to get rid of most of the network issues, including this one. Lastly, manually enable the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. Do it by opening Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, right-click on the installed network adapter, then choose Properties from the context menu. Now in the pop-up window, click Properties, click Advanced tab, select 5G Wireless Mode, click the drop-down menu, then choose this from the list. Now after that, click OK to save the changes. So that's what you should do if your 5 GHz connection is not appearing in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.